Hey guys, I'm Timon, and today I want to talk to you about a game changer for your business, transforming your data into actionable insights that save you time and boost your profits. We all know that in today's fast-paced business environment, time is money. Yet many companies struggle with disorganized data, leading to wasted hours and missed opportunities. That's where DataTouches comes in. We're a Microsoft partner specializing in BI consulting. Our mission is to help you manage, analyze, and visualize your data effectively. So imagine having all of your data from various sources seamlessly connected, providing you with real-time insights without the need for expensive contractors or a full-time BI team. So with DataTouches, adjustments can be made on the fly, reducing costs and saving valuable time. Now, DataTouches offers reporting for all reports: operations, IT, sales, HR. But an example that I wanted to share with you guys would be a recent client came to us and had issues on an invoicing report. So we actually made an invoicing report for them so they wouldn't have to log into their financial platform and they wouldn't have to manually go through and send out invoices and check those invoices. We created an automatic report for them here. They were able to go in, just filter out by the different clients that they wanted to send out, and it automatically would send those out. That in itself saved the client 22 hours a month to send these invoices for over 200 clients. So we jump in, we help understand what is the main pain points per department, and then we'll help actually generate these automatic reports for you so that you don't have to do them on a monthly, weekly, or even daily basis. Our expertise doesn't stop at data integration. We leverage Microsoft Power Apps to create high-quality custom applications tailored to your business needs. So this means faster app development cycles, allowing you to respond swiftly to market changes and stay ahead of the competition. Plus, our solution integrates seamlessly with other tools to deliver the best product based on your needs, like Power BI for business intelligence, Power Automate to automate business flows, Azure AI, and Copilot Studio to create virtual AI agents to increase efficient customer service and internal work processes. So we utilize all of these Power platforms to enhance your productivity. All right, here comes the fun part of the call. Visualizations are key. You want to have a data architecture or an application architecture map. This is to visualize how your business is flowing, how all the data is flowing, how all of the applications are connected to each other. So a quick example and a light example would be something like this. You have your financials, your sales, whatever your jobs are flowing through, Google Analytics, all of these things, HR platform, and additionally price those out. You want to price them out because it'll help you realize which ones you're spending the most money on, right? So it's important to see it visually, and anytime that somebody onboards, it's a quick way to show them this and for them to understand the application and the data architecture of your business and how things are flowing. Here, as you can see, we're all flowing it into Power BI to utilize analytics. That's where all of your centralized analytics is going to be, and we're going to talk about that soon. So application architecture is important, and put in your core application, whether that's G Suite Google or whether that's Microsoft 365. Again, put a little price tag on it and put all of the applications that you have on here so that you can do application utilization. A lot of these tools are on there just with your Microsoft license or with your G Suite license. So make sure that you're utilizing them correctly. Next up, KPIs. KPIs is a huge thing for businesses. It's key performance indicators. You want to set up your key performance indicators, probably 2 to 3 per department, and you want to have quantitative and qualitative ones, and you want to have leading and lagging KPIs. Essentially, you want to take what data you have available. You want to make sure what would it take for this department to be successful in the next couple of months. Those KPIs may change, and that's okay. What we do at DataTouches is we look at these KPIs and we can actually create a full dashboard for you guys where it'll show who's in charge of this. Is it on target or off target, and how do we adjust on the way? And then they would actually comment right in there to say, hey, I'm off target because of this, etc., etc. And it'll automatically populate the ones that are on or off target to keep your entire team aligned for all of those KPIs. But a good start is definitely create those KPIs, understand your business, and know the direction that you want your business to go. And how do we make sure that these employees are being successful? We give them KPIs. That's how they know they're doing good, if they're hitting those results. Last but not least, you want unified data. You want your data to be automatically flowing to the people that need it. So you want to have a dashboard that you can use in leadership meetings that automatically populates even even before the leadership meeting, everybody can be looking at the numbers. So it mitigates time and cost for you guys to even go in and look at what is going on within the business, right? So the idea is have a unified dashboard. Everybody will understand it. It's the same exact dashboard every time. It just auto-populates with new information. Have the dashboard be live, that you can click into it, that you can see performance changes, actual over target, etc., etc. Now, you don't just do this for a sales department. You do it for every single department. So ideally, you want to get to a data culture where the team knows that they want to be looking at this data. They know that it's important. They're looking at their financial data. They're looking at their HR data. They're looking at their sales data. All of these things should be, they're looking at their marketing, et cetera, right? By IT, every type of data source that would be needed for your business to run successfully. That's exactly what you want to be looking at. Here you could see HR data, and the person in the leadership meeting can explain what is going on with these numbers, and they would automatically get triggered if something is going off with those numbers. So you can start making automations based on all of the reporting that you're looking at. But again, it's unified. That's the important part. It gives a very exciting opportunity because there's more data now being created than there ever has. So your business has an extraordinary amount of back-end data. So you want to utilize that for each department. But not only that, just know that in businesses, we used to have these siloed data sets. That was always an issue. You have the data over here, over there. People are reporting on certain things. Just know you can automate that entire process. We can connect that on the back end so the data sets are actually working in unification with each other. And it's a compound data set. It's called multi-source analytics. I won't go into too much detail with that, but we can talk further if you guys want to schedule a call on that. But just know your data is here to help you grow your business. Before you become a data-driven business, you would want to get to a point where you have your different departments all broken up in a singular dashboard here: sales, human resources, financials. This is customer service that you guys are looking at right here, project management, LinkedIn, any of those things, Microsoft usage report, Google Analytics, all of those things. You would want to have data on it. You would want your leadership team to have eyes on this and to be able to look at the reporting, and it would always be updated and live for your entire team. That's the ultimate goal. DataTouches is here to help you unlock smarter, more efficient ways of using your data. Businesses we've worked with have discovered new opportunities for growth, streamlined their operations, and made faster, more confident decisions using clear, actionable insights. If you're curious about how this could work for your business, book a free consultation call. We'll take the time to understand your specific challenges, explore how these solutions might be implemented, and show you what's possible with clean, organized data. There's no obligation, just a conversation to help you see what's achievable when your data starts working for you. We'll see you guys on the consult call.